The hidden power of letting go. Buddhist wisdom for emotional freedom. Have you ever asked yourself, why do I still feel stuck? Why does this pain still follow me, even after all this time? Maybe it was a breakup, a betrayal, a version of yourself you can't forgive. You try to move on, but something always pulls you back. Here's the truth. You're not stuck because of the past. You're stuck because you haven't let go. And according to Buddhist wisdom, letting go isn't weakness. It's emotional freedom. Hi, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore the deep and healing power of letting go. Through the lens of Buddhist philosophy, you'll learn why we cling to pain even when it hurts us, the 3 invisible things you must let go of, and how daily Buddhist practices can free your mind and open your heart. Stick around to the end. We'll close with a powerful mantra you can use every morning. Part 1. Why we suffer. The Buddha said, attachment is the root of all suffering. But what does that really mean? We attach to people, to outcomes, to identities. We believe, if I just keep this person, this job, this version of myself, I'll be safe. But here's the problem. Life doesn't work like that. Everything changes. People evolve, emotions shift, bodies age, stories end. When we resist this truth, we suffer. Not because things change, but because we pretend they won't. The heartbreak isn't in the loss, it's in the clinging. Letting go isn't about forgetting, it's about releasing the illusion of control. Part 2. The 3 invisible burdens. So what exactly do we need to let go of? According to Buddhist practice, there are 3 invisible burdens that block our inner peace. 1. Control. We try to control how people behave, how our future unfolds, how others perceive us. But control is an illusion. The more we grasp, the more we suffer. Because reality rarely bends to our expectations. The moment we stop forcing and start trusting, something beautiful happens. We relax, we breathe, we return to presence. 2. The past. No amount of guilt can change it. No amount of replaying the moment will rewrite it. The past can teach you, but it cannot define you unless you let it. Letting go means you put down the heavy bag you've been dragging for years. It doesn't mean it didn't happen. It means you've decided to stop suffering because of it. 3. The false self. This is a big one. We think we are our stories, our jobs, our wounds, our accomplishments. But who are you really? Without the roles, the armor, the fear? Buddhism teaches, you are not your thoughts. You are not your pain. You are the awareness behind it all. When we identify with ego, we suffer. When we identify with awareness, we awaken. Part 3. How to let go. Letting go isn't just an idea, it's a discipline, a daily practice. Here are 4 Buddhist rituals that can help you begin. 1. Meditate on impermanence every morning. Sit in stillness. Watch your breath. Notice how sensations arise and pass away. Nothing stays. Not your emotions, not your thoughts, not even this moment. Impermanence isn't a threat. It's a liberation. When you truly grasp that everything changes, you stop clinging. You start flowing. 2. Repeat a mantra. Words have power. When the mind spirals, whisper this mantra. I let go. I trust. I release. Or, I am not this thought. I am the space it moves through. Use this like a spiritual anchor when your mind wants to grip. 3. Reflect on death. Sounds heavy, right? But Buddhist monks meditate on death daily. Why? Because remembering death brings clarity to life. When you remember, everything you cling to, including this moment, will eventually pass. You live differently. You stop wasting energy on what doesn't matter. You become free. 4. Practice. Compassion. Forgiveness is one of the highest forms of letting go. Start with yourself. You're not supposed to have it all figured out. Then offer compassion to others. Everyone is carrying something. Everyone is learning how to let go. Compassion doesn't mean tolerating harm. It means refusing to carry resentment any longer. Part 4. A personal story. I want to tell you a story. A woman once came to a Buddhist monk, heartbroken after losing her son. She asked the monk to bring him back. He said, "I will, if you can find me a household that has never known loss." She searched for weeks. Every home she visited had known death, illness, pain. Eventually, she returned to the monk, changed. She hadn't found a cure for her grief, but she had found understanding. Suffering is universal, but clinging is optional. She didn't let go of her love. She let go of the illusion that she was alone in her suffering. And in that letting go, she found peace. Part 5. Final mantra. So let me ask you, what is one thing you're ready to let go of today? A thought? A fear? A story you've told yourself for too long? Whatever it is, you're not alone. Here's a mantra to carry into your day. Letting go is not the end. It's the beginning of everything true. Practice it daily. Reflect on it when the past pulls at you. And come back here for more Buddhist wisdom every week. If this message spoke to you, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Your story matters. Your freedom begins now. What are you letting go of today? Comment below. Still feel stuck? No matter how hard you try to move on? Here's the truth. You're not stuck because of the past. You're stuck because you haven't let go. According to Buddhist wisdom, letting go isn't weakness. It's emotional freedom. Let go of 3 invisible burdens. Control. Life doesn't obey your expectations. The past. Guilt won't change what happened. The false self. You're not your pain. You're the awareness behind it. Try this mantra. I let go. I trust. I release. Repeat it whenever the mind grips too tightly. Letting go isn't the end. It's the beginning of everything true. What are you ready to let go of today?